have some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast. V.D. Satheesan to take oath as the Chief Minister of Kerala. He, along with 20 ministers, are going to take oath. 5 IUML leaders to take oath as ministers. 14 new faces and 3 women will now be inducted in the Kerala cabinet. So the Kerala CM designate V.D. Satheesan just held a press conference. He confirmed that the oath-taking ceremony is slated for 10 a.m. tomorrow and that 21 ministers along with him will be taking oath, including V.D. Satheesan himself. 5 IUML leaders will take oath as well. There will be 14 new faces and 3 women in the cabinet.
After 60 years, the UDF complete cabinet is going to be swearing tomorrow at 10 o'clock. After 60 years, the complete cabinet. And we have discussed with the coalition partners. We have interacted with all the Congress leaders within the party. And we are very much delighted to say that we have completed the entire process within 24 hours, which is the fastest one in the history of Kerala. This is because even after the election, the team UDF is team UDF itself. The portfolios, we are discussing, the final discussions are going on. As per the convention, tomorrow we have to submit the portfolios to the Honorable Governor. After getting approval from the Honorable Governor, it will be a gazette notification.
Let's go across to Arpita, my colleague, who's getting us more details. In that press conference, V.D. Satheesan there giving details of how the cabinet is going to look like.
Well, yes, tomorrow at 10 a.m. is when the V.D. Satheesan, who is the Chief Minister of Kerala, will be taking oath. Along with this cabinet, 20 ministers will be taking oath tomorrow. So, overall, 21 ministers will be there at the Kerala government. Now, V.D. Satheesan has confirmed that the portfolios will be discussed and later announced. So, tomorrow is when he's expected to give it the list of portfolios to Governor, and only then the announcement will be made. But initially, one name that was speculating if he will be part of the cabinet was Ramesh Chennitthala. We had earlier broken it that the talks, after multiple rounds of talks, Ramesh Chennitthala was happy. In fact, sources have told us that he will be given the Home Ministry, and that is why he has agreed to be in the V.D. Satheesan cabinet. Not just that, in this cabinet, 14 new faces can be seen. Not just that, 3 women ministers, in fact, including Deputy Speaker's post, 3 women are included in this cabinet. That is Bindu Krishna, Tulsi and Shanimol Usman. Shanimol Usman is a very senior Congress leader. She has been given the Deputy CM, Deputy Speaker post, and Chief Whip again. Joseph faction will be given, but the Chief Minister said that it is up to their party. They can decide who will be the Chief Whip. So we are expecting that announcement later. Muslim League, earlier there were talks, multiple talks. Congress wanted to give them 4 ministerial berths, but now they've confirmed that they are getting 5 berths. There are 5 names.
Hold on to that thought. Hold on to that thought. The Kerala CM-elect has also confirmed that the Congress top brass and Congress chief ministers will be attending the swearing-in ceremony. Former Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan and BJP State Chief Rajiv Chandrasekhar will also attend the event.
We have included 2 members from the SC community. There are 2 women in the cabinet, 1 deputy speaker also. 3 women are accommodated in this. We have done our maximum. So I expect all of that supported. We expect Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge ji, Sri Rahul Gandhi ji, Srimati Priyanka Gandhi ji, and Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah ji, Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy ji, Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Sri Sukhvinder Singh Suppu ji, and Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister Sri D.K. Shivakumar, and many ministers from our states, and of course our leader of opposition, the former Chief Minister, Shri Pinarayi Vijayan, BJP State President Shri Rajiv Chandrasekhar, the designated MLA, and Shri Binoy Vishwam, the CPI Secretary, and all of and Sadiq Ali Tangal, Panakkad Sadiq Ali Shihab Tangal, the UML President, and many UDF leaders, MPs, MLAs, VIPs, writers, cultural leaders.